How to share your referral code in Toobit. Hi everyone, welcome back to Trading for Beginners. Today we are going to be learning how you can easily share your referral code in the Toobit application. So first of all, launch open the Toobit app on your device and log in. Once you're logged into your account, go to the top left corner and tap on the human icon. Once you're inside your profile section, scroll all the way down and look for this referral code option at the very bottom. Copy the code and you can then share it with anyone. Sharing your Toobit referral code is a win-win. You get bonuses when friends sign up and trade, and they often get welcome rewards too. Share your referral link with anyone via direct messaging, via social messaging, or email as well. Go ahead and select any one contact you want to share the referral code with, and then you'll be able to send it to them. Now, every time one of your friends uses your referral code to sign up and complete through certain. Now, every time your friends use your referral code and sign up to their account and complete their first trade, you will be able to get bonuses when they first sign up and trade. So that's how you easily share your referral code on Toobit. If you found the video to be helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next video. Stay tuned till then.